Good morning, dear students. In previous class, we started 11th chapter, that is conversion of time. So still we are in the same chapter. So today we will once again learn about conversion of time. So mainly today we will learn about conversion of weeks and months into days. So students, for that we have already learned that 1 week is equal to 7 days. 7 days makes 1 week. So similarly students, 30 days makes 1 month. एक महिनामा 30 दिनहरू हुन्छन्. So students, based on this, let's observe question. Here question is convert into days. It means दिनमा convert गर्ने students. So in A number there is 15 weeks. Students, we need to convert 15 weeks into days. 15 हप्तालाई दिनमा कन्भर्ट गर्न छ. So we need to know about conversion rule. Let's compare week and days. Between weeks and days, week is greater and days is smaller. So students, as we have already learned in previous class, that while converting greater unit into smaller unit, at that time we simply do multiply. So विद्यार्थीहरू, अहिले हामीले विकलाई डेजमा लग्ने भएको भएर विक चाहिँ ठुलो हो, डेज सानो हो. ठुलो युनिटलाई सानोमा लग्दा हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ? मल्टिप्लाई. So students, let's multiply 15. Now with what number we should multiply 15? So students, as this is week, this is days, so 1 week is equal to how many days? It's 7 days. So therefore we will multiply with 7. If we multiply with 7, 15 लाई हामीले 7 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने डेजमा जान्छ. So let's multiply 15 with 7. So students, 7 5s are, it is 35. 3 carry over, 7 1 the 7. 7 plus 3 it is 10. 105 days. So students, 15 weeks mean 105 days. So similarly students, let's solve question number 3. So question number 3, there is question number B, there is 3 months. We need to convert month into days. Month like days ma lagna cha students. This is month, M, and this is days. So students, M is given to us, month is given to us, and we need to convert it into days. So students, as between month and days, month is greater, days is smaller. So greater to smaller it is multiply. So students, month ठुलो युनिट हो र डेज सानो युनिट हो, त्यसैले हामीले यहाँ मल्टिप्लिकेसन गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. So 3 multiplied by, now students, by what number we should multiply? So as this is month, this is days, so 1 month equals to how many days? It's obviously 30 days. Normally we take 30 days as a month. So let's multiply with 30. So if you multiply 3 with 30, it will change into days. So students, now let's multiply 30 with 3. 3 0 is 0, 3 3 is 9, 90 days. So therefore 3 months is equal to 90 days. Now let's see another question. So here it is 12 weeks 3 days. We need to convert 12 weeks 3 days into days. So students, in this type of question where 2 units are given, at that time we should be very careful. Now we need to see whether which one is common in them, which unit is common in them. हामीलाई जुन युनिटमा लाग्न भनेको छ र जुन क्वेसनमा दिएको युनिटहरू छन् हामीले कम्पेयर गर्ने र कुन कुन चाहिँ कमन छ हामीले हेर्छौँ भने विक र डेज दे आर डिफ्रेन्ट बट दिस डेज बोथ आर डेज सो इट मिन्स we need to convert 3 days is given in the question and we need to convert it in days हामीले क्वेसनमा हामीलाई 3 days दिएको छ र हामीलाई डेजमै लाग्न छ भने 3 त अलरेडी डेजमै छ यसलाई अब डेजमा किन लाग्नु पर्यो सो स्टुडेन्ट्स वी ओन्ली एड 3 days 3 मा चाहिँ मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु परेन स्टुडेन्ट्स 3 पहिलेदेखि नै डेजमा छ र हामीलाई क्वेसनले पनि डेजमै कन्भर्ट गर्नु भनेको त्यसैले 3 लाई हामीले मल्टिप्लाई नगर्ने स्टुडेन्ट्स 3 लाई हामीले खाली एड मात्र गर्ने प्लस गर्ने अब हामीले चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने भनेको 12 विक्समा हो किनकि यो विक्स र डेज डिफ्रेन्ट युनिट हुन् अब विकलाई हामीले डेजमा लाग्न इन्टु 7 गर्ने स्टुडेन्ट्स सो लेट्स सल्भ 12 इन्टु 7 एज बिकज विक्स इज ग्रेटर डेज इज स्मलर ग्रेटर टु स्मलर मल्टिप्लाई 1 week equal to 7 days so therefore I have multiplied with 7 so now student 3 is already in days therefore we don't multiply 3 we don't take the product of 3 with 7 as because it is already in days यो पहिले days मै छ पहिले देखि नै so हामीले 3 लाई एड मात्र गर्छौं students so now this is days so now students 12 7 it is 84 12 7 84 plus 3 days so it is 84 plus 3 87 days so students 12 weeks 3 days is equal to 87 days now let's move towards next question so here it is given 7 months 6 days now students once again 2 units are mentioned in the question one is month another is days 7 month is given 6 days is given so we need to convert into days so here we can see 6 is already in days 6 पहिले देखि नै days मा छ so it means we just only add this 6 हामीले 6 लाई खाली प्लस मात्र गर्ने किनभने यो पहिले देखि days मै छ स्टुडेन्ट्स अब हामीले कन्भर्ट गर्नुपर्ने चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने भनेको मन्थलाई हो so month is greater days is smaller greater unit to smaller unit multiply so 7 into now by what number we should multiply as because we are comparing month and days 1 month equal to 30 days so therefore we should multiply with 30 now plus 6 7 into 30 if we do so we will get answer in days and 6 is already in days so therefore we need to plus 6 so it's days now let's multiply 30 with 7 7 0 ja 0 at first we should multiply at ones place 7 0 ja 0 7 3 ja 21 210 plus now it is 6 days now it is 210 plus 6 is 216 days so here 7 months 6 days is equal to 216 days so students hope you have understood today's class well now here I would like to give you some similar questions as a homework so here I have given 4 questions as a homework hope you will complete it so students in the next chapter in the next class we will be doing further exercises so till then stay safe stay healthy thank you